Hello! We're going to go over the first piece in the second edition Faber book, Firefly. If you just finished the primer book, congratulations for starting the new book. That is awesome. We are going to put our hands in our C5 finger scale position. This is a review piece, so if you've been through the primer book, you're familiar with this position. In both hands, we have C, D, E, F, and G. This is middle C, and my right thumb for reference. So I'm going to go ahead and play through Firefly in the C position. And notice how I got quieter on measure 13 because our dynamic is piano, it's soft. And then it's mezzo forte, so I get louder again. Now you're asked to try to transpose this piece to G. You can either go down to G so that your bottom note is G, or you can go up. So I'll go up. I'm going to play it up here. They're all the same intervals and fingers you just played. So we start with our fifth finger, repeat, and then we skip down. And the rest of the piece proceeds like that. I'll start over. All right, have fun.